Hey, what is up, guys? So welcome to another video. So in this video, if you're wondering why I got a spare on this, it's because when I went to the city to get a part from my friend, I was driving on the highway behind a tractor trailer and I heard a loud ass pop coming from the back of my car, and I guess something came off the back of the trailer, but you can see this is completely sliced from here all the way down. So at first we didn't know. Well, it was on the inside, so we ain't seen nothing on it. So we tried refilling the air. They did an air pressure test, and all the air was shooting off the back. So I'm happy we're on the highway. So I'm happy that it was my back tire and not the front, because that would have been bad. So FedEx just delivered my new tire. So we're going up to my friend's shop. We're gonna get this put on. So y'all gonna ride along with me. Alright, so we're gonna head up there. That's the new house. Got my Max right here. So we're gonna head on up there. If y'all, so this is gonna be somewhat like a vlog video. So y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all like it. If so, I'll do more of it, and I'll be having an upcoming video. The backup camera died, so I got another one coming. So I will be sitting there showing you how to install a backup camera. I'm gonna replace all the wiring and the camera, so that'll be in an upcoming video. So it's gonna be about a 25-minute drive. So for y'all, it's gonna be like a couple seconds, but join the scenery. here is the transmission shop. Pull right here. I'm gonna check in with him. Shout out to Powell Tires and sneak preview of new cars on the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.